Hello, you're welcome to my official YouTube channel. My name is Olabisi Ashishana, and you just visit my channel for the first time. You're welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you. All we do on this channel is teach you tips and tricks on how to get started and start making money for yourself online. So in today's video, without wasting much of our time, we'll be talking about how to design landing pages. What is the important of landing page for your business? Number one, it's at a glance, people can tell what your business is all about once they land on your landing page. Number two, it tells you to sieve the unserious people from serious people. It helps them to know, okay, this is a paid advert, okay, I have to pay for it. So anybody that is not ready to pay, they opt out. But people that are ready, they are serious, they click on the links and they go ahead to contact you. So, and you don't want to keep giving money to people to help you design landing pages every now and then, every time you need new products to design for you. So there's a free tool online that helps you design landing pages for free. As a matter of fact, you can do anything for free, just a plugin. It's just a plugin for free. So we're going to customers.I'II. Customers.I'II is the site we're going to. So once I'll be leaving the link in the comment sections. So once you click on the link, it brings you to this interface that you can register with them for free. But I already have an account with them, right? So I'm just going to my dashboard. This is the interface, and you can see all you can do with this site, right? You can use emails, blogs, automations, product sales. There are a lot of things to be done on this site. Just a plugin. But we are going to design landing page. So we just click on funnels. Click on funnel. Once we click on funnels, so just come here and click on create. Once you click on come here and give it a name, I want to promote a course known as cost per lead affiliate marketing. So I put it as affiliate CPO. So I click on build an audience, then I click on save. You see, funnel has been successfully created. So I come here and I click on affiliate CPO. Great, you can see different interface. You can just pick one and edit for yourself. So let's look at one we want to pick. Let's look at it. Just scroll down and look at whatever you like. Let me pick this. I'm actually creating a landing page for a program. So once it comes to this interface, when you come here, you see view funnel step. You can only view, you cannot edit. So you come here, you see edit page. You can see that. So just click on edit page. Wow. So this is the interface, right? So once to edit it, we don't want all these things. So once to edit it, so just come here, headline text, just drag it up, bring it there. Okay, good. So just bring it here. We are deleting this. We don't want this. So what am I writing? Free videos review. Free video by Olamide Oruja. That's what I want there. Then okay. I think I like this review how to. So I'll just delete this one that I don't want. I'll delete this part that I don't want. Review how to make or review how Africans are getting 6, 7, 8 figure paycheck weekly without selling anything. Interesting, right? Yeah, without selling anything. So that's what CPO affiliate marketing is all about. So you just edit. So I'm just trying to show. I don't want this video to be too long. So just edit. Let's go down. Okay, this is their own video, but I don't want that video. I want my video. Come here. Just drag and drop here. Once I drag and drop here, I want you to see this. So once I just come here, You see video. Once you click here, it has brought me to this interface. What is it asking me to do? It said video type. I click on direct link or whatever customer method upload file. So direct link. So URL is asking for my own video URL. So I just pick it up because I don't want their own video. Yes, there we go. I paste my own there, right? You see, that's changed the interface. This is what I want. We want to play control, shadow, soft shadow or mild. You can put mild shadow. You can edit it. You understand? Just play with the interface, but I'm just showing the basics. I don't want this video to be too long. So we're going straight down. Okay, this is another video. I don't want this video here. I don't want this video here. I just click on delete. I delete it, yes. I remove it from here. Good. So access. 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 Or if I want to, I can put another headline here. I can put another headline here. In this middle, in this space here, I can. You can change your own. It depends on whatever. I can say bonus. Then I can come here. I want to put my bonuses in bullet points. I can come here and still come down here and do something like this. You can see that it's changing. What are you getting? What are you getting? How to make your first $100. How to make your first $100 in 10 days. How to, you keep listing it, how to make money without selling anything. So you keep listing it. That's what CPL affiliate market is all about. So you keep listing it, that's a drop down. So once we are done from that, what else do you want to do? Let's go down again. Okay, we want to add timer, countdown. Yeah, all those countdown you see. So just click on here on this place, see countdown. You can see. You can fix the dates that you want. Let me select this. This is going to be too long. Let me just select dates. Let me select time. Let me select them. You can decide to increase the font, right? Text font. You can see. You can decide to increase the font. Then you can decide to even change the color, time color. See, this is white here. You can decide to change the color. You can see that it's changing. You can decide to change the color. So just make it beautiful. Just look at the interface. Then that's that. Then get started now. Okay, this is a button. This is a button here. So I want to click on get started now. So I just go back. Once I'm done with this, I just go back and go look for button. Yeah, button. You see, button. Yes. What do I want to put in my button? What do I want to put in my button? So just come in. You see, show pop-up. You can see pop-up, align. So I just said I want you to open URL. Once they click on the button, it should take them to my WhatsApp. So click here. So I'll just drop my WhatsApp link here. Whatever it is, just drop your WhatsApp link. Then you just exit the page. So automatically it turns to button. That's that. Okay. Let me do something. So it's even asked it, right? You can even take it to the side. You can see, you can take it to the side. You can try to leave it in the middle. Just follow the flow. Just follow the flow. Just follow the flow. Action when button is clicked. So open URL. Open URL, just put something here. Your link, they say open in same window. I open the same window. So once I put my link here, it will ask me what I want them to see. So you just put what you want them to see there. So that's that about that. So it keep going on and on. You keep going on and on. So all these ones, we don't need it. We don't need all these ones again. So we just okay, we can do this one for design purpose. Then we just delete this. Delete the ones we don't need. Just delete them. So okay, we still have some few ones there. So just delete them. Once you're done deleting, just come to save changes. Just come to save changes, and you can see that it's a very interesting interface. It's a drag and drop interface. Just explore it. Just explore it. But the purpose of this video is for you to know that you can design free landing pages by yourself. So just click on okay. Before we save changes, you can come down here. Once you come down here, you see this phone, this laptop. So you want to see how it looks on phone. You can see this how is looking. You can see this how it's looking on phone. You can see free video. You can see this how it's looking on phone, and this how it's going to look on laptop, right? Again, so this how it's looking on phone. Look at it. Interesting, right? So this is. So you can come here and preview it to see if you like it or you still want to do some edition. This is the way it looks like. This is the way it looks like, right? This is the way it looks like. So apart from that, then you can go back. You can also come down here and see how it looks on phone. This is how it's going to look on phone, and this is how it's going to look on laptop. This is how it's going to look on laptop. So I hope you'll be able to get a lot of value from this video. You can click on the link to this site in the comment section and get started for yourself. Start designing free landing pages for yourself today without paying anybody, right? Without paying anybody. So if you got value from this video, do well to do all the good things. Subscribe, thumbs up, and press the notification bell, and also comment landing page on the comment section so that it can trigger the YouTube algorithm. And you can also do it to share to your friends and family that might also be interested in learning how to design free landing pages for the businesses or for the products. Thank you very much, and God bless you always. See you.